From boring to interesting. Being an interesting person won't matter if you are introverted or shy. This episode will teach you how to become an interesting person. This is third episode in our communication series. Take your communication to the next level. Being interesting isn't about changing who you are. It's about learning to connect with others authentically and confidently. Because let's face it, nobody actually enjoys the fake. The key is communication, but not the boring textbook kind. The ability to build genuine connections, make people feel valued, and leave them wanting more. Remember, it's not about you, it's about them. Starting conversation is your first step. Check out our episode, How to Start Conversation with Real Life Example. This is first episode in communication series because it starts conversation. After starting conversation, step 2 is to make deeper conversation without awkwardness. This is also a real problem while communicating. Talk without being awkward. Specially created episode for you with easy steps and real life solutions for awkward situations. This is second episode in communication series. Now take your communication to the next level. Before you get bored from communication, use this method, a secret method used by comedians, talk masters. It's blend of psychology, neuroscience, and a sprinkle of Asian storytelling magic. Okay, maybe not magic, but it might feel like it. The secret method is storytelling, but not in boring way. The case of disappearing donuts. Calling all the mystery lovers, we have a case. 6 delicious donuts have vanished from the office break room, leaving only their tantalizing holes behind. Today we are going to solve a case. I challenge you in comments below. Describe the most suspicious character you can imagine. Was it the grumpy boss with sugar addiction? The intern with mysterious past? Use your detective skills and unleash your creativity. Craft the most dramatic entrance in 60 seconds. Hook your audience with suspenseful opening line or unexpected action. Think James Bond, not bedtime stories. The art of humor. Master the well-timed joke to break the ice and connect with your audience. Bonus inspirational story because you listen it till the end. A tiny sprout pushed through the crack in the sidewalk. Defining the concrete jungle. It reminded me, even amidst hardship, life finds a way. We too can rise, growing stronger with each challenge. That's a wrap up of today's episode of Self Help with Adi.